Mhm. So can you exit this?
Oh, stop screen share.
Yeah. Yeah. So let me share this. Find the slope of the tangent y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 1 at x is equal to 235. Now it is after finding
So
the
-2.
derivative. Hello. Yeah, my voice is coming now. Hello.
Yes, sir. So I said it's -2. X equals -2 and 35.
Okay, okay, it is minus 2. So it is after finding the derivative that you have to put the values of x.
Okay.
So if you find the derivative here, so first tell me what is y dash or f dash x, what it is basically.
Y dash.
Now the derivative dy by dx, which we call as dy by dx.
Okay, so that is 3 by 4x, 4 into x plus h
Okay,
minus 1
okay,
minus 3 by 4x minus 1
okay,
by h
okay. So have you simplified this and limit h is approaching
0.
now? What have you done next to this?
Um, I uh, 1 minute. Yeah, I took the else. I mean, uh,
Yes.
the denominator the same. I took it as same. I mean, on the numerator, I multiplied them the numerator with 4x minus 1 and the other numerator with 4x plus h minus 1. Yeah.
Like this.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And here you have got 4x plus h minus 1.
I wrote it as 4x plus h, 4h minus 1 into 4x minus 1. I opened the bracket inside.
Okay, that is fine.
Okay.
Without opening, we can write it like this, no?
Okay. Okay.
4x minus 1. Into h, can we write it here?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
It will come in the denominator of denominator will come in the denominator. Like if
Yes,
it is
sir.
a by b by a main division c, then a by b divided by c That is A by B into 1 by C. That is A by B. We can write it like this.
Okay.
The main division is this one. So A by B divided by C, and then into it will change, so it will become reciprocal.
Yes, sir.
A by B, C. Okay. Next step, what you have done?
I cancel the. I got 12x. So I got 12x minus 3
Hmm.
minus 12x
Hmm.
minus 12h plus 3 by the same denominator. So the top gets cancelled completely. No, except minus 12. And then the h and h get cancelled. That
Okay,
yeah.
and H will be. Now you put H is equal to 0.
Yeah.
So you get minus 12 by,
By 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1.
which is this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this that you got correctly. Now you have put minus 2, 3, and 5. So on putting minus 2, what you are getting the value as?
Minus 4 by 27.
Minus 4 by 27. Okay, let me check. Minus 8, minus 9. So it will be 81. 81 will be 3 times. Yeah, correct. Then 3, what you are getting?
Minus 12 by 121.
Minus 12 by 121. So this will be correct. And then 5.
Minus 12 by 361.
Minus 12 by 361. So 19 square. Oh, okay, correct. Fine. So next, what you have is you can share. I will stop doing the sharing. Now you can share.
After this is this. I didn't get this. I couldn't get this.
This also before this, what is there?
Yeah, this is the one we did.
Okay. Yeah, this one is y is equal to root over 4x plus 3. Okay. So I'm sharing. So dy by dx is equal to function of x is root over 4x plus 3 minus, sorry, 4x 4x plus h plus 3 root over
Minus
4x plus 3 by h, limit
yeah.
h approaching 0, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you put h as 0, numerator will become 0 and denominator will become 0. So what else you can do? So here you can't do factorization. What is factorization? You can't do because it is a square root. It is not a square that you make a square minus b square as a minus b into a plus b. So what is the next way which we studied? Do you remember?
We can multiply the numerator and denominator
By, that means we will rationalize.
yeah.
So when we rationalize, that is if we multiply the numerator by root over 4 of x plus h plus 3
Plus
plus root over 4x plus 3 by same thing here. So the numerator will become a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, and the square root will vanish. And you will get 4x plus h plus 3 minus 4x plus 3. This is what you will get upon h into root over 4x plus h plus 3 plus root over 4x plus 3. Can you write it like this?
yeah.
So limit h approaching 0 3 and 3 will cancel. 4x minus 4x will cancel. This will become 4h by h into root over 4x plus h plus 3 plus root over 4x plus 3. H will cancel. Limit h approaching 0. 4 upon root over 4x plus h plus 3 plus root over 4x plus 3. So when you put h as 0, it will be 4 by root over 4x plus 3 plus root over 4x plus 3 by is equal to 4 by 2 times root over 4x plus 3. This is 2 by root over 4x plus 3. So this will be your answer. So here we have to do rationalization. You can write it down.
So how does x get cancelled? Is it in the numerator?
4x get cancelled.
4x. Okay.
4x is getting cancelled. 4x minus 4x. When you open the bracket, I've not opened it. I just mentally saw that when you will open the bracket, 4x minus 4x will cancel,
Okay. Yeah.
and 3 minus 3 will cancel. Only thing is 4h.
Yes. Okay, let's go down. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So I'm stopping the share now. Oh, now you can share. For a function to be differentiable at x is equal to a, the function must be continuous at x is equal to a. Okay, remember this. It means that the function does not exist in the derivative function.
So isn't this the same formula?
Yeah, this is the same formula, the denominator one.
Okay.
Above one says, above one you should understand what it says actually, that if we say that this derivative exists, that is the below formula give you some value, then it must be continuous also. That means the graph has no break. Okay.
Yeah.
Derivative is, let me share something with you. What do we mean by derivative and continuous? This will come in the next slide also. Next, I remember, next slides it is coming. So if we suppose this is a graph. So what do you mean by derivative? Derivative means slope of tangent. If the graph is like this, suppose this and this, okay.
Yeah.
Now here, very interesting thing is to be noted at this point A. At this point A, when you talk about limit h tending towards 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. I'm not taking any general point x. I'm talking about x is equal to a. So question arises, what this h approaching 0 is? Is this h approaching 0 is 0 plus f of a plus h minus f of a by h? Or this h approaching 0 is 0 minus f of a plus h minus f of a by h. So 0 minus and 0 plus. So two things are there. As we know about limit, that h can be from 0 plus, h can be from 0 minus. So if it is 0 plus, what it means? It means that the tangent which you are trying to make is coming from the right side. So depending upon the nature of the curve, the tangent from right will be like this. If you are trying to make the tangent for the left, h is 0 minus, then it will be, seeing the nature of the curve, tangent will behave like this. So one tangent is like this, and one tangent is like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a tangent here, and this is a tangent here. In the previous one, whether you move from right or you move from left, you will get the same tangent. Because here 0 plus and 0 minus will not change the tangent nature. But in this curve, since there is a corner here, so you are making a tangent from the right, it will be like this. From left, it will be like this. Two different tangents. So this is called the right-hand derivative, and this is called the left-hand derivative. This comes from the concept of right-hand limit and left-hand limit.
Okay.
So what we say that here derivative exists. In this one, derivative exists because left-hand derivative and right-hand derivative are same.
Okay.
Both are same. But in this one, left-hand derivative is not equal to right-hand derivative. So derivative does not exist. Okay.
Yeah.
So left-hand derivative is not equal to right-hand, the derivative does not exist. So what happens basically, that for derivative to exist, the left-hand derivative should be equal to right-hand derivative. In geometrical condition, it means that the curve should be smooth. It is a smooth curve. It should not have any corner points like this, or it should not have kink. We can call it as a kink point like this. So these will make it non-differentiable. Corner points, you can say, because from the right side, the nature will be something else. And from the left side, nature will be something else. Tangent will behave differently. Because we remember, how do we make tangent? Okay. So is
Yeah.
this clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Next thing is that if there, first write this down.
Yes. It answer.
Okay. So the point they were raising there was that if a function is differentiable, like it is a smooth function, at any point A, then it is continuous also because there is no break. In other words, if it is a smooth function, that simply means that it is a continuous function because there is no break. But if it is not continuous, like it is going like this, and from here it is going like this. So it is discontinuous. Actually. It is discontinuous. Then definitely it will be non-differentiable. Because if it is not continuous, how can you find its derivative? You can't make a tangent. Differentiable means that you must make a tangent. You are not able to make a tangent. It is breaking. There is a break. At this point, how can you make a tangent? So this
Yeah.
is what they are saying, that if it is differentiable, it is continuous. But if it is not continuous, it is not differentiable.
Okay.
So this you have to remember.
Yeah, answer.
Okay, now you can share. Yeah, that we have done. Okay. So this is clear. Then differentiability, a special case. A function with a cusp, this is also called cusp, is not differentiable at the cusp as the limit as x approaches the cusp from both sides are not equal. So this is what we have discussed there. And you can see that there are two cusps. So if you make the tangent from the right and from the left, they will not be same. At both these cusp this will have happen. Is it okay?
Okay, yeah.
So that is why these 2 points, it is not differentiable. Differentiability, a special case, a function with a vertical tangent will not be differentiable at the vertical tangent as the slope of the tangent is undefined. Okay. Okay. This is another case that this graph here is actually cube root of x. The function is cube root of x as it is written there also. This graph is having at origin a vertical tangent that is y-axis. So don't think that a tangent is a line which only touches a curve. It also crosses a curve. So here this crosses the curve at origin, and this tangent has a slope which is not defined. Let me explain it.
Yes, sir.
This is a graph. When you will draw, this is the graph of cube root of x. Fx is equal to cube root of x. And when you find its derivative, f dash of x, it will come out to be by fx plus h. I'm not going into its steps of differentiation. I'm just telling you, if you will differentiate it, you will get 1 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 in the denominator. This will be this. So at x is equal to 0, what you observe that f dash of 0 will be 1 by 3 into 0 to the power 2 by 3, which is undefined. This is undefined, right? So this is a tangent which is vertical. This tangent is vertical tangent. This is a vertical tangent. And since its slope is undefined, so the angle which is making with the x-axis is 90 degree, and tan of 90 degree, which is the slope, is equal to undefined. Tan 90 is undefined. So that is why this f dash of 0 is coming out to be undefined from this formula also. So this is a tangent. This line is a tangent. And don't think that tangent is a line which only touches a curve like this. Here you can see that this is a tangent and this actually crosses the curve at origin. Getting this?
Yeah.
But this tangent is having slope which is not defined. So derivative is not defined. You can say slope is not defined, or you can say derivative is not defined. Both is same thing. But the tangent exists. Tangent with undefined slope. Tangent is there with undefined slope. So this all you have to understand.
That answer.
Okay. Now mm, you can share.
I should yeah, just
So this note is same thing. The limit as x approaches. X to the vertical will be the same from both sides, either infinity or negative infinity. So that is okay. Let us move on further.
now the rule is
Now it is time to learn some quick rules to find the derivative. Now your life will become relatively easier. Previous slide, just previous
yeah.
slide. So unless it is stated to use first principles, till now what we were doing, in order to find the derivative, we were using first principles.
Okay.
Now, unless it is stated that you have to use first principle, you don't use first principle. You will use the following rules regarding derivative, and this is how you will find the derivatives. If it is
Okay.
written that you have to use the first principle, then you will go by the rule f of x plus h minus f of x by h, limit h approaching 0.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will use these rules. Now, what are the rules? Let us come to that. If a function is constant, then its derivative is 0. Okay, further. Okay, so let us talk about the first rule. For it is simple. We can talk here only. If yeah, previous slide, previous to that. So as you can see in this graph, this line is a constant function because all the values are giving the same output 4. As you
Yeah.
can see, you can crossing different values of x.
Yeah.
You are getting the same value of y, that is -4. So the fx is a constant, it is -4. In such situation, if you make a tangent, it will always be parallel to x-axis. That its a derivative will always be 0. So for a constant function, the derivative is always 0. This you can remember. Now let us move to next slide. Fx is equal to 2.
Oh, sorry, this one.
Fx is equal to 2, it is a constant function, its derivative is 0.
0.
Fx is equal to pi cube, it is a constant function. Pi cube is a constant, there is no x there. Its
Yeah.
derivative is also 0.
Yes, sir.
This is another derivative rule which you remember. If a function is x to the power n, then its derivative is nx to the power n minus 1. So if I tell you from here that a function is x cube,
Yeah, I
what
think
will be
that's
its derivative?
it's here.
We'll come to that.
Okay.
Here, seeing the
3x squared,
formula, 3x square. Correct. Now you can tell the derivative of x square
2x is 2x.
here.
Here it's it'll be 1 by 3. So 1 by 3x raised to minus 2 by 3.
So that will become in the denominator x to the power 2 by 3.
Yeah.
And if you remember a little while ago when I was telling you the graph of x to the power 1 by 3, I was telling you that its derivative is 1 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3.
Yeah.
And there, when you put x is equal to 0, the derivative is not defined. That is, the tangent is vertical.
Yeah.
So that is from there. Now, what will be here?
5 by 4, 1 by, sorry, 5 by 4
It
b.
is 0. What it is? It is a constant. There
Okay.
is no function of x.
Okay.
It's a constant. B is a constant. It does not have to do anything with x.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So whatever here is, it is simply a constant. Its derivative is 0.
Yeah.
So this was a trick question in between.
Okay.
The constant multiple rule. So if you multiply a constant to a function and you take the derivative, constant will simply come outside and you can take the derivative of the function. Okay.
Okay.
Next slide. So what will be 3x square?
I think it'll be 6x.
Yeah. What will be
The
1
other
by
one,
3x cube?
I think x square. I think it'll get cancelled. 3.
Yeah. What will be this?
This will be 7 1 by 7 by x 1 by 1 by 7 by 1 by 7 x raised to x ray will it be 1 by 7 x raised to 1 by
No,
minus 6 by 7?
no, I'm sharing. You just remember this, you will tell it to me.
Yeah, 7. Okay.
What it was?
7 by root 7x.
Root 7th root of x.
Yeah, 7th root of x. Sorry.
So this is 7x to the power minus 1 by 7. So when you take f dash x, 7 will come outside. Differentiate x to the power minus 1 by 7. That will be minus 1 by 7. X to the power minus 1 by 7 minus 1. Can we write it like this?
Yeah.
So 7 will get cancelled. You will get minus x to the power. This will become minus 8 by 7. Or you can say minus 1 by x to the power 8 by 7.
Okay, yes, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Derivative rules. Given fx is the sum of other functions, the derivative of fx is equal to the sum of the derivatives of each function that makes up fx. It is clearly written here. If you add functions and then you want to differentiate, you can separately differentiate them and add them. Okay.
Yeah.
And even if you are subtracting, same rule happens. Either plus sign or minus sign. So let us come to the next slide. So can you tell me the derivative one by one? First A.
So, um, so it'll be
Hmm,
24
hmm,
x raised to 11 minus 10x
hmm.
plus 7x.
Plus 7 only,
Oh yeah, yeah, plus 7, and yeah, that's it.
because
Because
1 x to the power 1 minus 1 will be x to the power 0. That will be 1,
yeah, yes, sir.
and constant is 0. Fine. Next one.
Um, minus 7, no, minus 35 x raised to 4
Hmm,
minus uh minus 20 x cubed.
No, no. Just use your pen and pencil
Yeah.
and paper.
So is it 1 by 5 into 1 by 4?
Hmm. Isn't it? What is 1 by x to the power 4? It is x to the power minus 4.
Yeah,
And what is the derivative of x to the power minus 4?
1 by minus 4 x.
Hmm?
1 by minus 4.
Let me tell you. You tell me the function, okay?
Yeah,
What it was, the whole function.
y equals 6 minus 7x raised to 5.
6 minus 7x raised to the power 4
5, 5, 5.
minus 5 by x to the power 4.
So that one is minus 7x raised to 5
Okay, minus 7x raised to the power 5
and plus 1 by root x.
plus 1 by
Root
root
x.
x. This is what we have.
Yeah,
So when we differentiate it, this will be 0. This you told minus 35x to the power 4. This x to the power minus 4 when you differentiate it. Minus 5 is outside. It is a constant. Minus 4, you will minus 4 x to the power minus 5. Won't you get this?
yeah,
So this will become minus minus plus 4 into x to the power 5 in the denominator. Can we write like this?
yes,
And 1 by root x, that is x to the power 1 by 2 with a negative sign because it's a denominator. So n x to the power n minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So this will be minus 1 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2. So this will be minus 35 x to the power 4 and plus 20 by x to the power 5 minus 1 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2.
yeah, done. Done, so
Done.
yeah.
Okay, let us come to the next one. Okay, completed this one. Now let us. So can we have a 5 minutes break, both of which will be become little fresh, and
Yeah,
then we'll
okay.
start the next slide. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because it is of 2 hours, no, today.
I think ma'am told, I don't think it's 2 hours.
Okay,
I will check.
just
Is
check.
it 2 hours today? I will check just a minute, sir.
Okay, just check it and tell me. I'm coming in a minute. Okay,
Okay, okay.
just check and tell me. Hello, Satya.
Oh yes, sir. I think it plays 2 hours.
Today.
Yeah.
Okay. So just then we can have a 5-10 minutes break and then we'll start because
Okay,
2 hours
sure,
at a
sir.
stretch will be little
Okay. Yes, sir.
strenuous for the brain.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now it is exactly 9 here, and at your place it may be 7:30 exactly.
Yeah.
So we can meet at 7:40.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Sathya, are you back?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, let us start.
So, should we start the next one, or should we do the assignment? Or
Mm, as you are confident enough to do the assignment on your own?
yeah, I think I will be able to.
No. Let us start this.
So before that, I have a doubt in the old one, the
Hmm.
graph. I think 1 minute. The function. This one.
Okay.
So for the first one, I got let me just read it out. Like, for the first one, I think it's um one. One. Is it one?
Yeah, correct.
For the second one, it's one as well.
No, it is not one.
Is it two?
Yeah, it is two.
So for minus two plus, it'll be coming towards the from the right, right?
Yeah. The right value we will see. What is the output at right? Right of minus
So
two.
that'll be four. Okay.
That will be not four, that will be two.
Sorry, one, two, yeah, two. And see for minus two, will it be zero
No,
or
it will be again two. Because
okay,
included part is basically two.
okay,
One is excluded part.
okay,
There
sir.
are three parts. One is left hand limit, one is right hand limit, one is the value at the function. So
Okay,
left
sir.
hand limit is the value 1 because on the left output is 1. Right hand limit, the value is 2 because the output is 2. And exactly at minus 2, it is actually the above one which is included, not the below one. So you
Okay,
will take as 2.
okay, sir. And for three, sorry, 1 minute. B three, it's six.
Yeah, 6. Left and right both are same. It's 6.
Yeah. And for one minus, it's four.
It's 4.
For one plus, it's four again.
Yeah, it's 4.
One, it's four.
Limit 1, it's 4. But if it was F1, if it was F of 1, what it would be?
Zero.
Undefined.
Okay.
And
Got
I
it.
did a mistake. In C, in C, it is limit x approaching minus 2. C. It is
Yeah.
not f of minus 2. There is difference between f of minus 2 and x approaching minus 2. So
Okay.
if
Yeah.
you see A and B, they are giving you different values. A
Yes,
is
sir.
giving you 1, B is giving you 2.
Yes,
So the
sir.
limit at x minus 2 is not defined, does not exist.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So for C, it is does not exist. But
Okay.
if the question was f of minus 2, f
Mm.
and inside the bracket, it was minus 2, not
Then
x,
it is two.
then it is 2.
Okay. So G will be not defined.
G will be 4. Again, same thing, na? Left and right, both are same. E and F.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
If it was f of 1, f inside 1, then it will be not different.
Okay.
Let me, is it clear? I got you confused in between. So should I tell you again or it is clear now?
I think I think it's clear now. If it's equal, like if minus and plus are equal, it'll be the same. Like how we have for minus one and plus one.
Don't say minus 1 and plus 1. Say
Sorry.
1 minus 1 plus.
Yeah, one minus and one plus. It'll be the same. So they're both reaching the same point. So it'll be x of limit f of x x1 is 4.
4, right? And in minus 2, what is happening?
Minus 2 minus 2 minus and minus 2 plus are not the same. They have different values. So limit f x x minus 2 will be not defined because there's two values. It's
Yeah,
not
two
equal.
different
Limit
values.
limit
Yeah, and if
left
in
hand.
case in someone it was asked, the question was f of minus 2, right? F inside minus 2. So
That will be
exactly at minus 2, you will say 2.
okay. Yeah.
And if it was f of 1, then you will say it does not exist because there is no such value at 1.
Okay.
Approaching 1, you see left and right, both are equal, and the approaching 1 is 4. But exactly at 1, open circle, nothing is there, does not exist.
Okay. So and x is negative infinity is
Yeah. If you go on the x-axis towards minus infinity, it is drawn till minus 5. You go to minus 6, you go to minus 7, you go to minus 8. So the line which you are seeing and the arrow which is given there, black arrow,
yeah.
it shows that it is increasing towards positive y-axis.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you reach x at minus infinity, the value will reach on y at plus infinity. So the value is plus infinity.
Okay. Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. I'm done with this.
Equation of the tangent line and product field. Okay. Okay. So find the equation of the tangent line. It is given in the question. Just as you can see, I am reading it and explaining it. Given f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 4. This is the curve. Okay, this is the function. This will make some curve on the plane. Find the equation of the tangent at x is equal to 3. So the tangent at x is equal to 3 will have some equation. You have to find that. What are the steps? First of all, find the point at which the tangent touches the curve. So we take x is equal to 3, which is given in the question, and put in the equation, we get f of 3. By putting x as 3, you calculate it, you get f of 3 as 23. So the point is 4, 3, 23. X is 3 and y is 23 at that point. Is this clear? Just read the first step and see the calculation there.
So we just substitute x, right?
Yeah. And you get y. So x comma y is 3 comma 23.
Okay. Yeah. Got it, sir.
So this point is point on the curve where the tangent is touching the curve. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Step 2, find the derivative of f(x). So can you find this derivative of f(x)?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
4x plus 3 you will get. Now find the slope of the tangent at x. That is, instead of x, you put it as 3.
3.
As it was given in the question, x is equal to 3. So you get the slope as 15. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us move on to the next slide. Given fx is this, find the equation. Okay. Using y is equal to mx plus b, plug the xy point in the equation to solve for b. So m is the slope, which is 15, which we got in the third step. Just see. M is the slope, which we got as 15.
Okay.
Slope of the tangent. We plug here. Then y and x, we plug as 3 and 23, which we got in the first step. He
So
was given
y equals mx plus b. That's the slope of tangent formula, right? The equation.
that is the equation of the tangent.
Okay, yeah.
So we put a point on the curve and a tangent x comma y there, and we put the slope, and we get b.
So what is b?
B is the intercept on y-axis. So you don't have to know that right now. I think just remember it. B is minus
Okay,
22. I will explain it to you. I will explain
okay,
this whole. First, try to understand it. B is minus
yes,
22.
yeah,
So in the equation, y is equal to mx plus b. Now 15 will be as it is as m, and b is minus 22. So this is the equation of the tangent. Y is equal to 15x minus 22.
okay,
Okay.
yeah.
What is the next slide? I will explain this geometrically also.
No, that's it.
Okay. So I'm explaining this one, previous one,
Yeah,
geometrically, what is happening there. I'm creating the one second.
yes, sir.
तो मैं यहाँ पर इसी डेट का एक और क्रिएट कर देता हूँ, नहीं इस डेट का नहीं क्रिएट करता हूँ. So that curve was, what was the equation of the curve? Can you tell me? Y is equal to,
Y equals
or fx, whatever it was.
sorry, fx is equal to 2x square
Mm-hmm.
plus 3x minus 4.
At x is equal to 3. So if you see this curve, this may be something like this, suppose. This is the curve. I don't know exactly how it will be, but it will be upward opening parabola. I'm
Okay,
not going into exact story of it. So if you see the point, suppose it is 3 here, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, this is, then the tangent would be something like this. Roughly you are understanding it now.
yes, sir.
So this tangent, now this point is 3 comma 23. When you put x as 3, you get y as 23. So this is the point of contact. This is the point of contact of the tangent. ये थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जा रहा है. This tangent is like this. ठीक है, लगभग ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है. So 3 comma 23 is the point of contact of the tangent with the curve. Curve may be going like this. Next is you have to find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is m, which is tan theta, where theta is the angle which it makes with the x-axis. So m is dy by dx. So you differentiated it. You got 4x plus 3. You put
3.
the value of x, you get as 15. So the slope is 15. So you got the slope 15, right?
Yeah.
Next, you what you do, you write the equation of the line, y is equal to mx plus b. So what is this equation of the line? This is a very general and common equation. It is called slope-intercept form. In coordinate geometry, it is called slope-intercept form of a line. What
Yeah.
happens if you have a line, suppose you have a line like this m denotes slope and b denotes y-intercept, which we commonly call intercept here. So this is 0, comma b, where it is intersecting the y-axis. This distance is this origin, and m is the slope. So this is the slope intercept form. Now,
Yeah.
in this slope intercept form, when you put this x as 3 and y as 23, x as 3 and y as 23, and slope as 15, which we have already got. So we get b as 23 minus 45, which is minus 22. This is what we are getting.
Yes, sir.
So the equation becomes y is equal to 15x minus 22. So this is the final equation of this tangent. That means this tangent is having slope 15 and it is intersecting the y-axis. If we keep on drawing this downwards, I've taken it almost so vertical, like with this green line. If we keep on drawing downward, then it will cut the y-axis at the point 0, comma minus 22. Minus 22. This length is from origin 22 units downward. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can write all of this to explain this.
Please scroll down. Yeah, that's all. That's all.
Okay. So I'm stopping the share. Now you can share. So the next one comes.
Oh yeah, that's an example.
Hmm. Determine the points on the curve where the slope of the tangent is 4. So how would you do it? Can you tell me the steps?
Yeah. Should I do it or should I just tell the steps?
First, tell the steps. Here you don't have to find the equation of the tangent. You have to find the points on this curve where the slope of the tangent is 4.
So, x is x 4.
Go. Just try to understand the question.
So we just
What
have
is
to
4?
determine the point y.
on the curve y is equal to 3x minus 5, right? So point means x and y both in that. X and y both. What is
Uh,
given? What is given?
Tangent is slope to the tangent is given
Slope of the tangent means
m.
m. What is m?
M is slope of the tangent.
What else?
It's um it's in the formula y equals mx plus b.
Yeah, but in calculus, what does that is coordinate geometry. But the same thing m in calculus, what it is?
In calculus,
What we are studying till now here,
isn't it
dy by dx. Slope,
derivative?
yeah, derivative. That is called the slope, dy by
Okay,
dx. So you have to find dy by dx and equate it to 4, from where you get x, and after getting x, you put it here, you get y. Can you try?
okay, yeah. So the 9x squared minus 5.
9x square minus 5. Now equate that to 4. What do you get?
Oh, I should substitute x as 4.
No, x is not 4. Slope of tangent is 4. So what you have got here is 4. 9x
Okay,
square minus 5 is equal to 4.
okay. X equals 3.
Hmm? Or it becomes 3.
Uh, x 9x squared minus 5 equals 4. So
Okay.
minus 5 goes the other side. So
Hmm.
it'll become 9.
Hmm.
X squared equals 9 by 9. So that's 1.
Hmm.
Oh, so x squared equals 1. So x will be equal to root 1.
So what is root 1?
1.
1 is also possible, as x square is 1. X could be 1 also or minus 1 also. Both
Oh,
possibilities are there. Plus
okay.
minus 1. Because 1 square is also 1 and minus 1 square is also 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now find y.
Oh,
Find y also. Y also.
um,
Put x as 1 here. In this one, y is equal to 3x2 minus 5x. Here you have to put x as 1 and
okay,
get
yes, sir.
the y.
Minus 2.
Yeah. So one point is 1 comma minus 2. This is 1 point. And
Yes,
if
sir.
you put minus 1, what you get y?
Just a minute, sorry. Minus 1,
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
get 2.
Hmm. So one point is 1 comma minus 2. Another point is minus 1 comma 2.
Okay.
So there are 2 points. That is why it was given determine the points. So it may be possible that you get 1 point. It may be possible you get more than 1 point. So that is
Okay.
why in bracket S was given points, point
Yeah.
or points. So there are 2 points. One is 1
Okay.
comma minus 2, one is minus 1 comma 2.
Okay.
And in these 2 points, if you draw a tangent, you will get it that its slope is 4.
Now, should we draw the graph?
No, we don't have to draw the graph.
Okay.
Next one.
This one.
So this is a product rule. Okay, next one. Okay, so I will just
I think
explain the
it's just,
product rule. Okay,
yeah.
then you would be able to do it. So in one flow, it becomes more easier than in having two different classes. If one big class is there, we can cover more. It seems so. Or is it wrong?
No, I think it's correct.
So if we see the product rule, so in product rule, we have if two functions are multiplied, then it was shared, it was p into q. You can take any two functions like fx into gx, and you're multiplying these two functions, and then you are differentiating. It is actually you take one function outside and you differentiate the another function, plus you take the another function outside and you differentiate the first function. So when you do this, like if you have suppose x cubed into x squared plus 1 or x plus 1 whole square, like this. X plus 1 whole square by dx. So first of all, you can write it like this, or x plus 1, let us write it as x plus 1. That is better. So this is x cubed, this is x plus 1. These two are getting multiplied. So what you can do, you take x cube outside, you differentiate x plus 1 with respect to x. Then you take x plus 1 outside and you differentiate x cube with respect to x. Okay.
Yeah.
So x cube dx by dx by the rule of sum plus d1 by dx plus x plus 1 derivative of x cube is 3x square, that is x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. X cube dx by dx will be 1 again by 1x to the power n minus 1, that is 1x to the power 0 is 1, and derivative of the constant is 0 plus x plus 1 into 3x square. So x cube plus 3x cube plus 3x square after opening the bracket. So this will be 4x cube plus 3x square. This will be your answer. Let's write it down.
Okay.
Any problem in understanding anywhere?
Um, I think I didn't want to write it down, so
Sorry,
I'll write it down. I think I didn't understand it.
we didn't understand it.
No.
Which step? Just see one by one
Yeah.
every step.
Yeah. So is the question x cube into x1?
X cube into x plus 1.
Okay, um, so we take x cube as common.
No, not common. See the product rule above. What is the product rule? If two functions are being multiplied, how do we differentiate it?
So is this the same as the px qx?
Yeah, I'm taking as fx cubes.
Okay, so p dash x.
Hmm. That is the derivative of px.
So in this,
This
it's like
can,
p dash x into qx.
yeah, you can write it like this. Suppose this is px, this is qx. So this is here, it becomes px, and this becomes q dash x, this becomes qx, and this becomes p dash x.
Okay, okay. So derivative, we just have to write d by dx.
Yeah,
So is that d1?
sorry, yeah, d1. D of 1. You can write it like this. This seems little abrupt. You can write it like this. Derivative of 1 with respect to x.
Yeah.
You can put a bracket.
So where did the dx go in the x cube?
Sorry,
Where did the d go, like d by dx? Is it cancelled?
dx by dx 1. Are you saying that?
No, no. In the p dash x, we have dx cube by dx.
That is x to the power n. So that will be nx to the power n minus 1.
Yeah, I get that. So, but then, so does the derivative go?
No, that is a way of writing it. Like how you used to write it. I'm using the correct form. That how we did it. If fx is equal to x cube, then f dash x is equal to 3x square. So what
Yeah,
happens actually here, that it is actually d of fx with respect to dx. That means derivative of 3x square, sorry, derivative of x cube with
x cube.
respect to x, which means after differentiating, it becomes 3x square.
Okay,
That is what derivative is doing. D by dx is actually a operator. It operates on that function, and that function changes.
okay, so yeah, and I'm sure.
So now I'm stopping. You can share. This is the same thing. Okay. Now, can you do this?
Okay. So derivative of 2x is only 2, right?
Yeah.
Is it 4x squared?
4x square. No. Can you tell me the steps how you have done?
So I got x square into d of 2x minus 1 by dx
Okay.
plus 2x minus 1 into d of x square by dx.
Okay.
So I got x square. Sorry, I didn't. I had to press x 1 minute, sir.
Hmm?
I did a mistake. Just a minute. So 2x into 2x is 4x, right?
Hmm. 4x square.
4x square. Okay. So that'll be. So I got 6x square minus 2x.
Yeah, correct. That is correct.
Okay. So like this.
Can you try this one?
Yes, no.
So here I'm giving you a hint. Here there is not, this 3 will come outside. Okay. You don't have to do anything with 3. It will simply come outside of everyone. Then there is one x, one is x minus 4, then one is x plus 3. So here there are how many getting multiplied? 3, not 2. 3 factors are now here.
So there are 3 factors.
Yeah. So here, how will you do? You will take any 2 outside and divide one. Will take next 2 outside, divide another. Then take next another 2 outside and divide third one. Divide means differentiate, not divide, differentiate. Getting my
Okay.
point? Like if it is px into qx into rx, we will write px into qx into r dash x, px into rx into q dash x, qx into rx into p dash x. Getting it?
So I can first do it as 3x into x minus 4.
Hmm.
And then I should do it as x minus 4 into x plus 3.
Yeah.
Then that's it, right?
And third one, 3x into x plus 3 and differentiate x minus 4.
So then what is x at x equals to? So should I substitute x equal to 2?
1 megawatt. I'm sharing. You will tell me, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah. What it is?
Y find derivative of the following. Y equals 3x into x minus 4
Okay.
into x plus 3 at x equals 2.
That is equal to 2, right?
Yeah.
So 3x you will take into x minus 4. You will differentiate x plus 3. This you will differentiate it right like this also. You can write it like this also as you please it. Okay.
Okay.
Plus 3x into x plus 3
We add
into,
it.
yeah, we add it of course into x minus 4 derivative with respect to x plus, as we do for px into qx, with px into qx into rx, what we will do, derivative of this is equal to px into qx into r dash x plus px into rx into q dash x plus qx into rx into
We
p
dash
dash x.
x.
That is what we are doing. So next
Okay.
is x minus 4 into x plus 3 outside and derivative of 3x. Getting this point?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this will be 3x into x minus
So
4.
then y is x equals 2. What is that?
Sorry,
What is
at
at
x
x?
equal to 2.
Yeah.
That we will do at the end.
Okay. Okay.
So derivative of x plus 3 will be,
D of x
that will be 1, and d of 3, 0.
0.
3x into x plus 3. 3 of x is 1 and
So
4
d of
is
x is 0. D of x, yeah, d of x is 1.
4x plus 3. Derivative of 3x will be 3.
3.
Okay. So dx by dx will be 1. Fine.
Yeah.
So this will be 3x into x minus 4 plus 3x into x plus 3 plus
X
3
minus
into
4.
x minus 4 into x. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So this would be 3x square
Minus
12x
12x
plus 3x square plus 9x plus 3x square minus 3x, and you will simplify, minus 12 3 36. This is you will what you will get. Just see it once.
One
Whether we
minute,
have done correctly. Okay.
1 minute, sir.
This on expanding will be this. This on expanding will be this. This into this into this on expanding will be this.
Yeah, yes, sir, that's correct.
Right. So next one will be 3x square plus 6x square plus 6x square will be 9x square